Students, this is class number 216. Let us solve more problems using the method of partial fractions. So, first question is x by x plus 1 into x plus 2 into dx. So, right, clearly you look at that question carefully, students. Denominator is containing factors. Denominator contains factors. If denominator contains factors, you go for using method of partial fractions. Partial fractions method. You take out that full function, students. Solution. You take out x by x plus 1 into x plus 2. X by x plus 1 into x plus 2. So look at these factors. You observe denominator factors, students. Clearly the factors are non-repeated. Repeated or non-repeated? Non-repeated. You know how to write whenever there are non-repeated factors in the denominator. So now you write these two factors are non-repeated. You write a by. So a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2. So a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2. Cross multiply. So cross multiply x plus 1. Write that x as it is. X is equal to x plus 1 get cancels. A into x plus 2 plus x plus 2 get cancels. B into x plus 1, b into x plus 1. So look at this, friends. Multiply throughout by x plus 1 into x plus 2. ಇದರಿಂದ denominator ಏನಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟಿಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಿ. If I multiply this term by x plus 1 into x plus 2, get cancels. If I multiply this term by x plus 1 into x plus 2, x plus 1 get cancels. Remaining will be a into x plus 2 plus multiply this term by x plus 1 into x plus 2, get cancels x plus 1. Correct? Shouldn't go for still deep steps, students. No, I hope you understood. ಇಷ್ಟಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸರಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಕೆಲಸ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ x plus 1 into x plus 2. Multiply to left side term x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x by x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to multiply this term by x plus 1 into x plus 2. X plus 1 into x plus 2 into a by x plus 1 plus multiply this term by x plus 1 into x plus 2. X plus 1 into x plus 2 into b by x plus 2. Look at this, students. Same thing I got. Same thing. X is equal to a into x plus 2, b into x plus 1, right? Or one more method. Find LCM on right side. After finding LCM on right side, x plus 1, x plus 2 get cancels. Remaining same, right? So x is equal to, numerator is equal to x plus 1 get cancels. Shortcut. You follow this shortcut always. X plus 1 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇನಿದೆ a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 2 get cancels. Remaining will be b into x plus 1. Now you think of choosing x values. You always choose numbers for x which makes factors as 0 ಬರೋ ತರ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಏನು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವೇ? -2 ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚಾನ್ಸ್ -1. Put x is equal to -2 plus 2 0. If this becomes 0 and everything is 0. A becomes 0. If a becomes 0, you will get b value. So in that way you do that. So put x is equal to -2. So put x is equal to -2. Substitute in that. So minus 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 2 0. 0 into everything is 0. So b into minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 is equal to b into minus 2 plus 1. Minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. Minus 2 divided by minus 1. So minus minus get cancels. This implies b is equal to 2. Multiply both sides by minus. You will get b is equal to 2. So next, put x is equal to minus 1. Put x is equal to minus 1. So put that x is equal to minus 1. Minus 1. Wherever that x is, you write minus 1 for that. For that x, you go for writing minus 1. X is minus 1 ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು minus 1 is equal to a into minus 1 plus 2, b into minus 1 plus 1. How much is minus 1 plus 1? 0. 0 into everything is 0. Need not to write. So minus 1. So 2 minus 1, 1. A into 1. So this implies a is equal to minus 1. Now you substitute for a and b. Substitute for a and b and complete the integration. So therefore, x by x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to a by, tell me a value, minus 1 by x plus 1 plus b by, b is 2 by x plus 2. Now integrate both sides. So integrating both sides, so write integration of x by x plus 1 into x plus 2 into dx. Integration into dx. Whenever we write integration symbol, so don't forget to add dx. Dx means with respect to x. Dx means with respect to x. Write that minus outside. Minus of 1 by x plus 1 into dx plus 2 outside. Constant 1 by x plus 2 into dx. You just write integration symbols to each term. Write integration symbol to each term and complete that integration. So therefore, answer is minus integration of 1 by x. How much is integration of 1 by x? Log x. So log mod x plus 1 plus 2 into 1 by x. Integration of 1 by x is log x. So log mod x plus 2 plus c. That's all. So that's all, students. I hope you understood. So let us solve more problems of this type. So right, next question is one by x square minus 9. So into dx. Look at that, students. 1 by x square minus 9. Is it factorizable or non-factorizable? Factorizable. A square minus b square. If it is not a square minus b square, it is non-factorizable. A square minus b square idre a plus b into a minus b use ಮಾಡಿ. So you take out that 1 by x square minus 9. ಈಚೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. 1 by x square minus b square. 1 by a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. X plus 3 into x minus 3. So again, look at this, students. Repeated factors or non-repeated factors? Non-repeated factors. Factors na nodi. So these two factors are non-repeated. If factors are non-repeated, you go for writing a by b by. a by x plus 3 plus b by x minus 3, b by x minus 3. So cross multiply by x plus 3 into x minus 3. How much remains? 1. Numerator ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸಾಕು. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. x plus 3 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. x plus 3 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಹೇಳಿ x minus 3 a into x minus 3 a into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 3 get cancels. X plus 3, you write that x plus 3. So right, now you choose x values which makes these factors as 0 ಆಗುವಂತ x values choose ಮಾಡಿ. So tell me students, what can be chosen for x which makes factors as 0? So one option is, so one of x value is plus 3. If I choose x is equal to 3 minus 3 0 becomes 0. One more x value, so minus 3. If I choose x is equal to minus 3, I am going to get one more 0. You always choose x values which makes factors as 0. If factors becomes 0, automatically we will get a value, b value, c value. Factors 0 ಆದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ A, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ B, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ C ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. You follow that. Put x is equal to 3. Put x is equal to 3. This implies 1 is equal to 3 minus 3, 0. 0 and anything is 0. So b into 3 plus 3, 6. X is 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Bring that 6 down. So that implies b is equal to 1 by 6. We got b value. Next you find out a value. So put x is equal to minus 3. Put x is equal to minus 3. Minus 3. 1 equals minus 3 plus 3 0. Put x is equal to minus 3. A into x is minus 3. Minus 3. So 1 equals a into, how much is minus 3 minus 3? Minus 6. Minus 6. Bring the a value down. A is equal to minus 1 by 6. Minus 1 by 6. Now substitute and go for integrating. So write 1 by x square minus 9. 1 by x square minus 9. Tell me a value. A is equal to minus 1 by 6. A is equal to minus 1 by 6 by x plus 3 plus b. Tell me b value. 1 by 6 by x minus 3. Now you integrate both sides. Now you go for integrating. First is you take that function, resolve, separate like this. Once separating is over, you start integrating. Once separating over, separate ಮಾಡಿ, split ಮಾಡಿ, rules ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು split ಮಾಡಿ, ಮುಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ integrate ಮಾಡಿ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ. Integrate both sides. So this implies integration of 1 by x square minus 9 into dx. Write that constant outside. Minus 1 by 6. Integration of 1 by x plus 3 into dx. Plus, write that constant outside. 1 by 6 into 1 by x minus 3 into dx. So write. So minus 1 by 6. Integration of 1 by x. How much is integration of 1 by x? Log x. Log mod x plus 3 plus 1 by 6. So log mod x minus 3 plus c. Integration of 1 by x is log x. What is common, students? 1 by 6. 1 by 6 common. Remaining is minus log x plus 3 plus log x minus 3 plus c log m minus log n. Log m minus log n. What is log m minus log n? Log m by n. Log m minus log n. Log m by n. So 1 by 6 into log m by n. So mod x minus 3 by x plus 3 plus 6 plus c plus c. Log m minus log n. What is log m minus log n, students? Log m by n. I hope you understood. So let us go for one more problem. So right, next question is, so 3x minus 1 by, so 3x minus 1 by, 3x minus 1 by x minus 1, x minus 2 into x minus 3 into dx. 3x minus 1 by x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 into dx. So you take out that, students. So right, you take out that and solve. You follow same method. So method is same. So right, solution. 3x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. So again, denominator is containing non-repeated factors. ಯಾವ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಎರಡು ಸರಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. x minus 1, it is appearing only once. X minus 2, again it is only once. X minus 3, only once. Only once means non-repeated factors. If factors are non-repeated, you go for writing a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2 plus c by x minus 3. Now, as usual, so 3x minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 get cancels. A into x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus x minus 2 get cancels. B into x minus 1 into x minus 3 plus x minus 3 get cancels. C into x minus 1, x minus 2. So right, now you tell me x values for which factors become 0. 1 ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. You need not to choose x values in order. So you go on giving randomly whatever it is. If b value comes first, we can find a value after that. If a comes first, we can find b after that. So all are one and the same. Right? Put x is equal to 1. So put x is equal to 1. So this implies 1. X is 1. 3 into 1, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. So x is 1. 1 into 3, 3. 3 minus 1. So 2. 1. If x is 1, a into 1 minus 2 minus 1. 1 minus 3 minus 2. x1, 1 minus 2 minus 1. 1 minus 3 minus 2. If x is 1, look at this. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 into anything is 0. This whole becomes 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 into anything is 0. X is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 into anything is 0. So we get a value. So this implies 2 is equal to minus into minus plus 2a. So 2a. So 2 get cancels. That implies a is equal to 1. Next, put x is equal to 2. Put x is equal to 2. So that implies x is 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 1, 5. 5. x is 2, 2 minus 2 0, 0 and everything is 0. So b into x is 2, 2 minus 1 1, x is 2, 2 minus 3 minus 1, so 2 minus 3 minus 1, x is 2, 2 minus 2 0, 0 and everything is 0. Find out b value from that. So 5 is equal to b into 1 into minus 1 minus b. So minus b, that implies b is equal to minus 5. Next, so put x is equal to 3. Put x is equal to 3. So write x is 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 1 8. 8. X is 3. 3 minus 3 0. 0 and everything is 0. 0. Next, x is 3. 3 minus 3 0. 0 and everything is 0. C into 3 minus 1 2. So 3 minus 2 1. 3 minus 2 1. So this implies 3 minus 1 2. 3 minus 2 1. So 8 by 2. C is equal to 8 by 2. 2 4s. We got all A, B, C values. So just integrating left over. Substitute for ABC and complete that integration. Substitute for ABC and go for integrating. So right there. Therefore, so 3x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2, x minus 3, a by, tell me a value, 1 by x minus 1. 1 by x minus 1, b is minus 5 by x minus 2, c is 4 by x minus 3. Integrate both sides. Now you integrate both sides. So integration of 3x minus 1 by x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 into dx is equal to, so integration of 1 by x minus 1 into dx plus into minus 5 outside, 1 by x minus 2 into dx plus 4 outside, integration of 1 by x minus 3 into dx. So start integrating now. So right, integration of 1 by x. How much is integration of 1 by x? Log x. So log mod x minus 1 minus 5 into 1 by x. Log mod x minus 2 plus 4 into, so log integrate deeply. Integration of 1 by x. Log mod x minus 1 minus 5 into, so integration of 1 by x, log mod x minus 2 plus 4 into 1 by x, log mod x minus 3 plus c. I hope you understood, students. This is about right. Let us solve one more question. So let us solve one more question. So right, 2x by, so 2x by x square plus 3x plus 2, x square plus 3x plus 2 into dx. So one thing, students, clearly this question, it is looking like, it looks like linear by quadratic. It looks like linear by quadratic. This problem can be solved in two ways. One is by using linear by quadratic, or one more is by using partial fractions also. To solve this by partial fractions, you try for the factors. You factorize this quadratic equation. Factorize, take out that 2x by x square plus 3x plus 2. Factorize the quadratic equation. So write factorize a quadratic equation. So write x square plus 3x plus 2. So factors of 2 ones are. So 2 ones are x square plus 2x plus x plus 2. Factorize x common x plus 2 plus 1 common x plus 2. So tell me two factors, x plus 1 into x plus 2. Yes. So if that quadratic equation is factorizable, that can be solved by using partial fractions. So 2x by, so x plus 1 into x plus 2. Again a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2. Cross multiply. 2x is equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. So put x value, x is equal to minus 2, minus 4, minus 2 plus 2 0, minus 2 plus 1, minus b, minus 2 plus 1, minus 1. That implies b is equal to 4. So next, x is equal to minus 1. Put x is equal to minus 2. Next, put x is equal to minus 1. So this implies minus 2, minus 1 plus 1 0, a into 2 minus 1 1. So 2 minus 1 1, a is equal to minus 2. Substitute and integrate. Final step. So integration of 2x by x square plus 3x plus 2 into dx is equal to integration of a. Tell me a value. Minus 2 by x plus 1 into dx plus b value. So tell me b value. b is 4 by x plus 2 into dx. Complete that integration. Minus 2 constant outside. Put minus 2 constant outside. 1 by x log mod x plus 1 plus 4 1 by x. Put constant outside and integrate 1 by x. Integration of 1 by x is log x. So log mod x plus 2 plus c. I hope you understood, students. Let us solve remaining questions in the next class. Last problem I explained fastly. Just you go through, you can understand it easily, no problem. So thank you, students. Let us stop this class.